Hi, this is Jill from Jiller's Bits of Bites, and this is just like a quick tip, what have you, for my Siggy Challenge action I created. And this is basically was a resizing action and saving things out to the web, and well, anyway, saving it smaller, saving it as a ping, what have you. Really quick because some folks were having issues, so I did this and I really didn't go back and check it. Now, one of my participants, Sandy, um, felt that her Siggy was coming out really pixelated, and honestly, it was. Let me open that one. As you can see here, it's quite pixelated. And initially, right off, I said, "Well, it's dithering. Gee, why is she do? Oh, yeah, she's got index color. Well, what the heck is she doing with index? This isn't a GIF, it's a ping or a GIF. It depends on how you do it. I always called it GIF. Um, so anyway, I opened up my original, and the thing is, I've always done this manually. So, I mean, that wasn't really nice of me, was it? Not to check these things further. Oh, I guess this isn't back to the full size because I've been testing. Okay, so you can see this is the full size one. I make these my templates for Siggy's full size 3600 or close to 3600 pixels wide so that you can use things from your scrap kits without having to reduce them. If you want to reduce it ahead of time, fine. It's not going to do anything wrong. This is just a little bit easier in my opinion. Okay, so I have this action called Save Siggy. I have now named it Rev 2 because I've made changes. Basically, what this does is it starts off and you can see in here. I size the image and then I do an export. And the export I use is this one over here, Export Save for the Web. It's legacy. They're doing away with this thing. It's being deprecated, like a lot of things that Photoshop does to us. I checked in the newest version. By the way, this is Photoshop 2015. I did check 2021, and sure enough, it's in the same place. So I figured I better explain that. Not exactly sure where it is for PSE users. I'm sure it's also in an export. Anyway, so that's what I did, and I created this action. So what this action does is, you can see this is full size. Let's cancel this out. So first I do one here. I've got the three sizes. This one's 1000 pixels wide, and the action originally was on ping 8, and as you can see, it only allows for 256 colors. So what happens, this is very much again like a GIF. Let's go look and we'll show you. See, 256, that's all that a GIF will let you save at. So I switch it over to the 24, which means you have an unlimited number of colors and we don't get all the dithering. So this is what the action should say when you run it. When this dialog box comes up, you should see ping 24, no matte, it's transparent. And although you get these settings, just leave them alone, but do make sure that you're getting a bicubic sharper. It doesn't make any difference anyway because you're not resizing here, you're just leaving it the same size. But anyway, just make sure it says sharper, and just do save. And if I had it on here, yeah, replace. Yeah, you can tell I've been doing some testing. They're all over my desktop. Anyway, that hopefully will keep things from being too pixelated. This still, as you come up here, I mean, this is only 1000 pixels wide. We started off with, almost 3600 pixels wide. So yeah, you're going to see a little pixelation when you zoom in this much, but you shouldn't see that much. Just in case you run across this and you forget these notes, and you don't have to refer back to this video all the time. I've now made this little notes page. Oh geez, it wants to be huge, doesn't it? Anyway, I saved this JPEG in the folder along with the action, and I show you, make sure the action says that ping 24, and then don't make any changes down here. And that's it, short and sweet. And let me know if you have any further questions. Bye bye.